This is the projection of a circular motion on the screen. This is basically the origin of sine and cosine wave. This is SHM. Good morning, students. Let me introduce you to the geometric anatomy of physics. This is our coursework for JEE and NEET. I have arranged this classroom in such a way so that I can take this video, the structure of SHM. This is a projector, this is a rotating table, and this is the screen. I have few magnetic chess pawns. Rook and bishop is also there. The shadow of these pawns falls here on the screen, right? Now I shall plot these shadow as I rotate this rotating table. Please switch off the light. See, as I rotate this rotating table, this shadow moves, and accordingly I shall plot the curve of SHM. Let me go in detail. See, let me plot the time axis. Time axis is plotted in this vertical direction. This is t, okay? This is t, and this is the displacement. This is the x displacement, okay? Fine. So this is x. Now, what I shall do is, see, this pawn is here. This pawn is here, and as I rotate the rotating table, the shadow of the pawn goes that way, and it comes here, and it goes that way. So this shadow of the pawn oscillates, right? Now see, I started here at t equal to 0. Now let me move it. This rotating table moves with a constant angular velocity. Now the condition is, what is an SHM? SHM is basically a projection of this circular motion on the screen. So if I rotate this rotating table, see, it comes here, right? It moves with a constant velocity. Let me place it at different positions. See, so it moves slowly like this, right? And this is t and this is x. So there are the different points will be here, right? Here. So it is here, and it's again here at the edge. So the xt point is here. So again, if you rotate in the same direction, the anti-clockwise direction, it comes like this, right? And it goes the other way. That means if it comes like this, that means it's here, it's here, it's here, it's here. Here means here. Then it's here, here, okay? Then it all goes back like this, right? See, the curve is like this. So let me start the curve. So this is the curve. Okay, so if you continue, it goes like this. Okay, so it continues like this. So this is a sine curve. Now what you can do is, let me take one rook. So this is a rook. It's a little bit different from pawn. Of course, in chess it's also different. Now let me place it here. So if it is here, let me place this rook here. Okay, let me place this rook here. I think it is at 90 degrees. Okay. Now if I start this rotation of this table, if I start this rotation of the table, this rook starts from here, right? The rook starts from here. Just a little bit inside. Yes, it's at 90 degree. So rook starts from here. So it comes like this, it comes like this, comes like this, and it comes here. So what should be the curve of this rook? What should be the curve of this rook? This rook will have a curve like this. So it's coming here, here. So that means it's curved like this. Okay, sorry, let me draw it a little bit properly. And if you follow this rook, you definitely understand. It comes here, it touches here, and it goes back, right? It goes back and it follows the curve like this. So this is a cosine curve. The rook and pawn are quadrature with each other, so at 90 degree with each other. So this is the cosine curve. This is the sine curve. Fine. Now there is another interesting thing which I want to show you. Suppose these two are the rook and the pawn, right? Now if I rotate this table, this pawn is at the edge. See, this pawn is at the edge. The table is rotating with a constant angular velocity. Let me rotate it. These are magnetic, it will not fall. Now when this rook comes at the edge, as far as the speed of the rook is concerned and the speed of the pawn is concerned, they are same, but the shadow of the rook is absolutely much less than that of this pawn, right? The shadow of the rook is very less than that of the pawn. So that what happens in SHM. SHM means when the particle is at the mean position. Particle means the projection. Particle is at the mean position, the velocity is maximum. When the particle is at the edge, the velocity is minimum. So I hope you understand this. There are a lot of detailing here in the geometric structure of physics. As we go along with the course, there are a lot of things to be done. I shall be doing coordinate systems, curvilinear coordinate systems. My target is to make you acquainted with a little higher mathematics so that you can promptly attempt the question of JEE and NEET, right? So that is my attempt. I do not teach boards. I don't teach boards. I only teach JEE and NEET students, and you have to go through this mathematical coursework of 2 months. And I request all the NEET students to take mathematics, even it is not required for NEET as far as technically examination given is concerned, but please take mathematics, else physics will be at stake. Thank you very much, and I welcome all of you.